This is Steve Pastillo from P2 Automation. In this episode of Not Your Grandfather's CRM, we'll show you how we're helping one of our larger clients handle customer service issues. Unlike our previous video, every customer service issue involves multiple people or departments, anywhere from 3 to 6, depending on the situation. Those 3 people include the quality assurance person, their manager, and the department head. If a refund needs to be issued, the president of the company is also involved, as well as the accounting department and the credit department. The customer service issues are referred to as cases, but we're not using the case module that comes with Dynamics 365 for service. This is a completely custom module that runs on the lower cost Power Apps license. Here's an example of a case where the customer refused the order because the coils were too small. The system allows the user to upload images, as many as you need, and put in all the items the customer is refusing to take. All of the case information, including the financials, are here. And this is an example of a larger situation that involves 6 different roles. The information is entered by the quality assurance person, reviewed by their manager, approved by the department head, then sent over to the president for final approval, and then on to accounting and credit. Once everything's done, the case comes back to the quality assurance person as a final check, and then they close it out. The system has a process timeline that records the approval steps of every user, as well as the rejected steps. Here's an example of a process timeline that just left the quality assurance person and went on to their manager. And here's one that's gone further down the line. Sometimes the issue on a particular case was caused by a vendor. So while our client handles the situation and covers all the costs, there are times when they're going to want to get reimbursed from the vendor. So this case module includes a place to store vendor or mill claim requests. Here we'll include all the information our vendor needs for each item, and all of the costs and the weights are calculated and displayed back here on the case details screen. Our client has a sister company that handles some of the rework, and sometimes they have to file a claim with the plant. Much less information is required, but similar to the vendor claim request, all of the dollars and the weights are calculated and displayed on the case details screen. The case module is accessible from a mobile device, mostly for picture taking, so a QA person can go into the field or to another plant location and take pictures, and those images show up right in the case record for all to see. We included this standard timeline so users can track all their email conversations and phone calls regarding the case. And we just implemented the task management module so we can assign specific tasks to various members of the team. So as you could probably tell, the service ticket module we covered in our last video wouldn't apply here at all. And we really didn't need all the bells and whistles that come with the Dynamics 365 service module either. One reason is our client only handles a handful of cases each month. And the other reason, we'd have to add all this functionality anyway. So it's just easier to build it from scratch and more affordable at the same time. If you'd like our help with your customer service issues, reach out to us today at www.p2automation.com. And stay tuned for our next video on Not Your Grandfather's CRM.